Alright, YouTube. 1997 K1500 Silverado Z71. The ignition switch, this is the crank. I'm cranking it over right now. Battery's unhooked on purpose. First position, second position. Goes no farther than that. It won't come back. Key will slide out, but it is not all the way off. So, I'm curious here on if it's the tumbler. Let me go ahead and pull the tumbler out here. I'll do it on camera in case y'all want to know how to do it. Or I'll try to. It is this. You just, yeah. How long can you pushing that thing while you crank it over? Anyway, here's the tumbler. Tumbler looks in pretty good shape, but so that pin, that one's okay. This pin seems to be working. Pull the key out. The little locking shaft there, you know that's locked. The key back in. Locking shaft unlocks, but there's kind of an edge right there. Even if you push it down evenly, there's kind of like a little edge that sticks up. I'm guessing that's the problem. If anybody knows, let me know. I'm gonna buy a new tumbler or roller, whatever they're called, tomorrow with some new keys. Put it in, and I'll keep you updated.